What is the problem? Oh my gosh, slow down. You have to learn to communicate more effectively, okay?
How about you learn to communicate more effectively?
I came in here to see what's wrong, but you're running your mouth a mile a minute. You gotta sit down.
You need to shut up!
What? Why are you yelling at everybody? So what's the problem? At everybody?
You need to shut up!
Why are you yelling at everybody on your live? You're yelling at the game capture?
Yes.
Why are you yelling at the game capture?
Because it won't pick... Okay, let me put this in simple words for you. There is no...
Don't say it like a...
Sound!
Sorry!
No, we're not even live! We're not even live! Oh my... I tried going live on private, but it wouldn't freaking work because all the freaking audience has to freaking oh god!
When did the stream turn off?
It was a 50-hour stream. Nobody could see it. I turned it off.
What's the purpose of a 50-hour stream?
Because I was trying to test it to see if it worked out first.
Hello, everybody.
We're not even live.
Now
why did you do that? Now I have to pull up the freaking tabs again.
Because you
just made this process.
What?
Shut up, jerk!
How about you shut up?
Just get out. I told you.
Stop! You know I gotta sleep! I got things I gotta do tomorrow, jerk!
You're in your underwear.
Jerk!
They're gonna hate it! That's it. I'm freaking done. I'm leaving. I'm done.
Where are you going?
I'm getting out of here.
Okay,
I'm leaving.
let's go downstairs.
I'm leaving! I'm getting out! Let me out of my freaking room!
Calm down.
I'm freaking leaving!
What are you doing? Stop! Stop! What are you doing? There you go! Oh my God! That's what you want! Stop! I told you to stop, jerk! Why did you decide to try it for? I'm going to do it!
My fans are gonna hate me.
The fans are getting mad! Stop!
All right.
And now I don't have a freaking extra HDMI cord to freaking record with this, and it's screwed! It's screwed! Shut up!
Oh my God.
How about you shut up?
No. Oh my gosh.
Stop! Get out of here! Oh my gosh, William!